Setakat kemas kini terakhir saya pada September 2024, PNB 118 Mall, juga dikenali sebagai 118 Mall, adalah pembangunan baru yang menarik di Kuala Lumpur. Ia adalah sebahagian daripada projek PNB 118 yang lebih besar, yang merangkumi menara PNB 118, yang dijadualkan menjadi bangunan tertinggi di Malaysia dan Asia Tenggara. Inilah yang boleh anda jangkakan daripada 118 Mall yang baru. 1. Reka bentuk dan seni bina moden. Pusat membeli belah itu akan menampilkan seni bina kontemporari dan reka bentuk terkini, melengkapi estetika menakjubkan menara PNB 118. Jangkakan penampilan yang anggun dan futuristik dengan cahaya semula jadi yang melimpah dan ruang terbuka. 2. Tawaran runcit yang pelbagai. 118 Mall dijangka akan menampilkan pelbagai jenis kedai runcit, dari jenama mewah yang tinggi hingga peruncit fashion antarabangsa dan tempatan yang popular. 3. Pilihan makan. Pusat membeli belah akan menawarkan pelbagai pilihan tempat makan, termasuk restoran gourmet, kedai makan santai, dan rangkaian makanan antarabangsa. Jangkakan gabungan hidangan tempatan dan masakan global. 4. Hiburan dan rekreasi. Pusat membeli belah itu mungkin akan menampilkan pilihan hiburan seperti pawagam, kemudahan rekreasi. Mungkin juga terdapat ruang untuk pameran seni, acara, dan persembahan. 5. Ciri-ciri kelestarian. Memandangkan tumpuan kepada seni bina moden dan mesra alam, 118 Mall dijangka akan menggabungkan prinsip reka bentuk yang lestari. Ini boleh termasuk sistem yang cekap tenaga, ruang hijau, dan bahan bangunan yang mesra alam. 6. Keterhubungan yang mudah. Terletak di kaki menara PNB 118, pusat membeli belah ini akan mendapat manfaat daripada sambungan yang cemerlang dengan pilihan pengangkutan awam yang berdekatan, termasuk sistem LRT dan monorail. Ini menjadikannya mudah diakses untuk penduduk tempatan dan pelancong. 7. Pengalaman mewah dan tinggi. 118 Mall berkemungkinan akan menampilkan kemudahan mewah dan pengalaman eksklusif, termasuk butik-butik tinggi.
118 Mall, previously known as Merdeka at 118, is a 7-story glass dome shopping mall currently under construction located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The name 118 was derived from the number of floors in the Merdeka 118 tower, which has a total of 118 stories. The mall is currently being developed and owned by PNB Merdeka Ventures Sendirian Berhad, a wholly owned subsidiary of Permodalan Nasional Berhad, which is also the developer for the Merdeka 118 tower. The mall is situated at the foot of the tower and will directly serve its precinct. The developer had awarded the contract to build a shopping complex as part of the Merdeka 118 development at the former site of Merdeka Park, which was the second oldest public park in Kuala Lumpur, to a joint venture between WCT Holdings Berhad and TSR Capital Berhad. The mall is planned to be surrounded by 4 acres of greenery and a linear park, namely Merdeka Boulevard at 118, which will also connect the Maharaja Lela monorail station and the mall. Construction works on the building as well as the shopping mall began in 2014 and is slated for full completion by 2025. A glass dome will be constructed as the roof of the mall to bring in filtered natural light into the center of the mall. The mall's organic theme will have sculptural design, story elements and water features based on Malaysian culture. Be the biggest shopping mall dome in Malaysia. The Raincloud, a dramatic multi-story water feature with an interactive screen offering customized messages. Malaysian Artisan District, a curated retail floor dedicated to Malaysian cuisine and heritage products. The mall will be connected to the Kajang Line's Merdeka MRT station located along Jalan Hang Jebat, which is also connected to an interchange with the Ampang/Sri Petaling Line's Plaza Riyadh LRT station. The Hang Tua station, serving both the Ampang Line and KL monorail, is a 600-meter walk southeast. The mall will also be accessible from the Maharaja Lela monorail station connected through the Merdeka Boulevard, which is the precinct's linear park near completion. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit like button to show your support on this channel. Take care and all the best. Don't forget to visit my TikTok and Instagram channel for quick update video. Bye and see you in my next video.